Priceless. Thank you po!
She's a very professional actress.
Super saya. Kasi first time ko ever na gumawa ng horror movie.
It was really quick. Congratulations, Nadine, on your album.
I know you've been waiting for this.
We're here at Bayani Road Jollibee for our 4th store visit.
At dahil special kayo sa amin, kami mismo ang magsaserve ng cheesy bacon mushroom yumyo na may kasamang albums. Hello po! Sobrang excited po! Kanina po ako alas 12 dito. Naghihintay po ako dun kay James Reid and Nadine Luz. Napapatingin, napapakilig. Sobrang inabangan po talaga namin si James and Nadine dito sa Jollibee Bayani Road. And yun, nagulat ako kasi may free CD pa. May album na kami, nakita pa namin sila, yay! Maraming salamat po. Priceless. Thank you po!
Thank you guys. Catch us again at our next store visit. See you there.
What's up guys? I'm here at the set of Chain Nail and I'll be doing a cameo role, so abangan niyo yan.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Action.
Working with Derek, I'm having fun. I'm having lots of fun.
I think she's a very professional actress, and I think I see that she's always willing to learn something, which is important for someone who's new in the industry. So I think yun yung maganda with her.
Kanina kasi gumawa kami ng mga chroma scenes. Naka-prosthetics ako. I have like glass sticking in my body dito sa arms, sa face. So it's really fun lang. Kasi we have a chill set kanina.
Dahil na po yung team, diretso lang! 5, 4, 3, 2, crowd set nyo ba nyo pag may tumatang chick? Man! Action!
She also gives her own suggestions on how to better the situation or the scene. So maganda yun, and I think it was great. It was fun.
Malandi pa konti, Ed! Tuloy pa. Action! Ito ba po? Ito lang. Binigyan niya. Kuya, yung mga nasa likod, ha? What's up kayo now?
Adjust lang po ng camera.
Action! Pabukas mo na pinto para di mainit.
Shot 7 and 8, take 1. Part please. Heroic. Ito na oh. Stand lang, stand. Ititibig. Muna bahay.
Alright guys, so there you have it. Abangan niyo po ako sa Chainmail. I'll see you again soon! What's up guys? I'm here at the music hall para sa press con ng Chainmail.
Yung chainmail is about this group of friends na nakastumble upon ng isang chainmail. And then, of course, iba-iba yung reactions nila to it. But then strange things start to happen to them. And then, what happens is parang one of their friends think na it's probably because of the chainmail. So, they try to investigate. So, habang they investigate, the film will focus kung ano yung mga nangyari sa kanila habang ginagawa na investigation and why these strange things happen to them.
Ako dito si Sandra, magde-decide ako na parang sobra na yung mga nangyayari. Kaya sa tulong ng iba kong mga kaibigan and yung kapatid ko, si Meg, ititrace namin kung saan nanggagaling yung chainmail para matigil na to.
Well, I've worked with them na before, lahat sila actually. Pero iba-iba. With Shine naman, I'm really excited for her. Kasi finally, this is the opportunity that she's been waiting for. This is a project that she's been waiting for. So super excited for her. And I'm just really happy na para I'm here to support her. I'm here to help everyone out.
Ang role ko dito, ako si Eileen dito, ang nakatatandang kapatid ni Sandra, which is played by Shai Carlos.
Yung role ko dito is Julia. Si Julia dito, siya yung parang past nila. Tapos, si Julia, super connected siya talaga sa word na chainmate.
Hindi ka naman pala nananakot pala, pero natatakot sila sa'yo, gano'n?
Pero natatakot. So, ako po yung nananakot talaga. So, umpisa lang po ako natakot.
Oo.
Bali, ang role ko dito is the role of Jake, which is laging kasama ni Sandra sa pag-solve ng case, sa mystery. And also, girlfriend si Nadine dito.
Ako dito si Ryan, ex-boyfriend ni Eileen, nagaganapan ni Meg. Isa ako sa mga magsasolve ng case. Kumbaga kami yung grupo na magsasolve ng case.
Kaming apat po.
Kayong apat. Tapos si Rose, si Shai, at saka si Nadine, Pop Girls.
Pop girls po. Tapos AJ naman po yung killing.
Ayun nga. Oo, natatanda ako ngayon. Doon tayo. Thank you, Nadine.
For people their age, di ba, since most of them are now parang mas ano sila sa technology, and I think yung iba dito is because the situation is very common because lahat tayo at one point in our lives we received a chainmail. Pero yung paano tinitreat ng mga kabataan ngayon yung gantong sitwasyon, aside from being a horror film, it also deals with dun sa paano natin napapabayaan yung mga pamilya natin because we're so much parang glued to the gadgets that we have.
Proud ako. And yun. Nandito, parang pag sa kanila, parang willing talaga ako kahit anong role, basta makasama ko nandito.
Yung pinakamalaking challenge po una is sila ma-express nila yung takot na iba-iba. Kasi po, di ba, normally, pare-pareho sisigaw ka lang. So, syempre, minsan po iniiba-iba namin, depende dun sa roles nila.
Gagawin mo, dapat i-warn mo sila ganyan. Tapos ikaw na po bahala. Ganun po si Dara. Gusto niyo po collaboration.
Super saya. Kasi first time ko to ever na gumawa ng horror movie. And I'm a huge fan of mga horror movies talaga ever since. I think it's a thought kasi na finally meron na kasama ako sa horror movie.
Nanood na pa kayo ni James ng horror film?
Baka po ito mo yung una. Like now po, meron pa kaming teleserye po. So really, okay lang po na magkasama kami, yan, masaya po kami. And then masaya din po kami outside of the love team. Kasi syempre parang meron po, nag-grow po kami separately. Parang kailangan din po kasi yun eh.
Thank you guys for joining us. See you soon!
Star Style is all about fashion, beauty, and celebrity. Parang they cater kung ano yung artista, kung sino ba siya, in a most creative way na hindi niya makakalimutan yung shoot na yun.
Hey guys, it's a steady afternoon here in Navota City, and I'm shooting for starstyle.ph. Let's check it out.
Today's theme, basically, it's more of grunge fashion. We use denim, we use military camo prints, we use bomber jackets, and I think it's also appropriate for the place, which is more of very grunge then, magulo.
For Star Style, we did 8 layouts. 8 layouts siya in a modern grunge theme based sa aming stylist. And then, we did the research, and then we came up for this construction site, which is the North Bay. And then, nag-scout kami ng talagang sobrang grunge. As in, on the day itself, sobrang init. Habang nagpo-progress yung shoot, ayan na, okay naman siya. Very professional, sobrang dami niyang baon. As in, parang walang tapon every angle.
It was really easy to work with. So, ang smooth lang naging flow ng shoot today.
It was cool. I love the clothes. The interview was fun, and it was really quick. I mean, the peg's really nice, and it's easy when you love the peg.
Sobrang natuwa dito si James sa layout na to. Cause kinalabit niya ako, tapos pinakita niya yung photo sa dad niya. And then I think sobrang natuwa siya. I think kaya nagustuhan to kasi ito yung nagsisymbolize or nagpapakita talaga ng personality niya as an actor, based on kasi sa mga movies niya, ganyan yung mga nakikita ko eh. So parang ito yung perfect na layout for him. Sa mga layouts namin, ito yung favorite shots ko. This one, cause sobrang smooth, sobrang soft, sobrang angelic ng face niya talaga dito. And knowing na yung pinapatungan niya sobrang init. Imagine. And then, this one, sobrang candid or sobrang laid back lang. Sobrang chill lang. And then this one, sobrang, ang ganda ng palette ng blue, and then the yellow, and then the grunge, everything. And then yung expression niya parang sa sobrang init, parang hindi naman siya nahihirapan. Pero overall, when you browse it, as in, when you see the whole story, sobrang perfect niya. As in, walang bad image, walang bad angles. As in, thumbs up.
have it, I'm inviting everyone to grab the August issue of starstyle.ph. So watch out for that. Catch you guys next time on #JD.
What's up, guys? Today we're here in Ashap, and me and Nadine are performing back-to-back prods to celebrate our album's going gold.
Parang pilit mo lang pag tayo nagsama.
Sabi niya, mula sa mga trending performances, kasama naman natin ngayon ang trending love team James and Nadine. Guys, meron daw kayong special treat sa mga JD fans out there. And then ikaw yung mauuna sa sabay-sabay lang pinigin ang mga JD fans!
I just wanna do simple and we have this Gold Record Award for James Reed for the outstanding sales of his album.
All our producers, composers, arrangers, and production teams to the team, of course, my partner in crime my album, and also thank you to my fans, readers, care bears, and the JD fans. Wow! Congratulations, guys!
Congrats, James, and medyo hindi malakas boses ko kasi nandyan ka lang sa likod. But anyway, congratulations, and finally, kasi I know you've been waiting for this a long time, lifetime platinum. Maging patient ka lang. Konti na lang platinum na yan, I'm sure.
Viva Music Partnership, and Sid Batanilla, A&R Manager of Viva Record.
35 Gold Record Award. Wow! For an outstanding performance of her album, Nadine Lustre.
Kiss now!
Okay,
Unang-una po sa lahat, on behalf of James, gusto ko po pasalamatan, of course, yung Viva family namin, ABS-CBN family, all the producers ng mga songs namin. Ako po, Flip Music, Kuya Bojam, Nika Del Rosario, Pao Chavez, at marami pa pong iba. And kay James, of course, Tyro and Yumi din pala. Thank you guys for helping us out. And of course, sa J-Teens and sa Nadix dyan, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta niyo sa amin. And of course, sa lahat ng mga music channels na palaging piniplay yung songs namin. And of course, sa mga radio stations din. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Congratulations, Nadine, on your album Going Gold. I mean, this is your very first album and it still went gold, so congrats. I'm really proud of you.
Keep on watching #JD. Ay! Ever since, like, nakakaramdam ako, nakakita na ako, pero until now, hindi ko pa rin talaga kaya yung thought na, alam mo yun, merong something dyan na hindi mo nakikita.